Understanding your insurance settlement documents. A step-by-step guide. Step 1 is to begin by gathering all of your documents. This includes your insurance estimate paperwork and any correspondence you may have had with your insurance carrier and/or adjuster. Quite often, many claims will get transferred to a desk adjuster. Be sure to make note of who it is and how to reach him or her for future correspondence. Step 2 is to review the cover letter and summary. This will give you the overview of the settlement, including the total amount approved, your deductible, and any other key details. Be sure to check your personal information for accuracy. Your deductible will be on this page of information as well. Please note that we cannot cover your deductible. It is against state law. When the roof replacement is an insurance claim, Rock Canyon Roofing will follow the approved estimate for contract purposes. If there are additional costs or code upgrade requirements, we will work with your insurance carrier to add them as supplements after the roof is complete. Your only out-of-pocket expense is your deductible. Step 3 is to review the summary for the entire claim. This section will show the replacement cost value, also known as RCV, or the estimated cost of repairs, and the actual cash value, also known as ACV, or the amount after the depreciation is removed. The insurance carrier will release the first check in the amount of the ACV. Once the work is completed, they will cut the final check, that is the remaining balance of RCV minus ACV, which equals depreciation. Don't forget, you are responsible for the full deductible amount. In this example, the first check amount would be for the ACV of $37,093.69 minus $2,000.00 for the deductible, which equal $35,093.69 paid to you and possibly your mortgage company. The final check, if there are no other supplements added, would be for the depreciation amount of $12,683.56, for a total payout of $47,777.25. Please note, the initial claim does not include supplements that are added later for code upgrades or additional items that were missed in the initial estimate of costs. Step 4 is the insurance claim details. This is a line-by-line detailed breakdown of your claim. It is broken down by each specific line item specific to a category. In this particular example, it is the dwelling roof. Notice the RCV, depreciation, and ACV columns that list all the items being covered by the carrier. If it is an item with no depreciation, as you can see, the ACV is the full amount of RCV. Remember, RCV is the full amount of the estimate once the work is complete. The ACV is the actual cash value, or the amount after the depreciation is taken out. Again, the ACV is the amount that is paid to you and possibly your mortgage company as soon as the claim is approved by your insurance carrier. Step 5 is the final step. After the work is complete, Rock Canyon Roofing will submit what is called a supplemental claim. These are items that are paid out by the insurance carrier once all the work is completed, including, but not limited to, lined out items listed on the estimate. If you look at the middle of the page, you will see a line items with lines through the item and the amounts. These are items that the insurance carrier will pay out in the final check once we have provided a certificate of completion to them. Supplements can also include code upgrades as required by jurisdictions, city, county, and/or state-specific. You do not need to worry about getting these items covered by your insurance company. Rock Canyon Roofing will work with your carrier to make sure everything that is required gets covered by your insurance company. If the carrier does not agree to pay for it, then Rock Canyon Roofing will absorb the cost at no additional charge to you. Rock Canyon Roofing is your insurance claims specialist. Your assigned project manager has been trained to help you understand your insurance settlement documents and will take the time to explain it to you more clearly. Please do not hesitate to ask them for a detailed explanation. You are also welcome to call our main office at any time to get more help. Thank you for choosing Rock Canyon Roofing, your insurance claims specialist.